Alright, welcome back to the channel. Today with Bags here. You guys see the new edition with the face cam. If you didn't know what I look like, this is what I look like. Thank you for stopping and watching the video. I think the new face cam is like better for the channel, just so it's not like a random bot, sitting here just talking about charts. You actually see me. Hopefully it makes a difference. I do have a, like a Blue Snowball microphone. Hopefully the audio is good right now, so I'm not using this. It's not working. I'm just using the camera microphone, so hopefully it's not too bad. If it is, we'll have to figure something out. Also, this PC I'm using is pretty slow, so it's going to take time to go from window to window. I don't really want to buy another computer, so if you guys want to donate, help me make the streams better, the YouTube videos better, send me some money. Nah, but we'll figure it out. So maybe if I do streams, because I told you guys I want to start streaming and shit like that, and I don't know if you see it flashing like that, my computer's all cracked. Maybe that's just on my end, but it's cracked in the screens and shit like that, so yeah, I don't know what happened. When I got it sent here, it cracked in the mail. But for streams, as I was just saying, it's flickering in my eyes. It's fucking me up, throwing me off. Maybe I'll use the Mac. We'll have this open with the face cam chat and everything like that. We'll figure it out, right? All right, so this video, I want to talk about Bitcoin, the ranges. Right now, we see Bitcoin, going lower. There's a lot of FUD and stuff like that. We'll talk over Bitcoin, Ethereum, and some stocks very quickly. We'll get it out the way. So what I want to see here from Bitcoin is either something, there's a few things that I kind of want to see for Bitcoin here. I don't think the top is in yet, personally. I want to see either Bitcoin come out and sweep these lows, like this level right here, and take out all this. If it does that, like something like maybe this, and then go up, it's actually a terrible drawing. But maybe this is like the line that it's kind of got to hold, right? The trend line that it's got to hold. If we see like something like this, then we know it's inactive and Bitcoin's probably headed back to this 50Ks area like that. But taking out a good area like this, taking this out and then bouncing off this and continuing to rally up, breaking all-time highs, and then going into something like that is something I'm looking at, of course, with Bitcoin. Or we might just see something like consolidation and then send up. For some reason, the drawing on this too is also like mad hard to like squiggle on like that. So we might see something like that as well. But as long as we can just continue to hold, with a low, and we can just hold something up like this. Right now, there's no time to panic right now. As long as we're just holding, a sweep would be really good because then it gets all the panic sellers out and everyone, oh, we sweep this, it's free fall to here. I don't really think that is going to happen unless we break this line, this trend line. So, bounce off here, going up to the upside, and then we'll reevaluate what happens. That's Bitcoin. It's going to take a little bit to load, guys, I'm pretty sure. If we go to ETH, it's looking like the same thing, kind of. Not really at all, but I think we're going to see, my bad. We had Ethereum do something very similar to what's happening right now. We had this run up, then we came down, then we ran up, then we came down, and it ran up, came down, ran up, consolidated all in here, ran up, and then now it looks like it's coming down. It looks like, though, we could be consolidating here again in this 2000 area to make a run up, right? And then that's a lot of like mess on the screen now. I'll try to remove this. As long as we're holding basically above these 2100s, I think we're fine. It looks really good actually right now, and I think that we had that like kind of close bounce, and I think we might just send up to break this. As long as we break like this area, and then we want to see from this flickering screen is crazy. We want to see like a break up here. That's a fucking terrible drawing. Something like this, and then maybe up here, and then hold that line, and we can either continue to just chill in here for a little bit and skyrocket up. Right now it's just a waiting game. Let's talk about Solana, because I'm so glad that I sold most of that shit. Just scared the fuck out of me. I'm actually like, dude, I don't want to join. How do I get this shit off the fucking screen, bro? Like this, it keeps asking me to join. Like I don't want to join your fucking trading view shit, bro. So let's look at Sol here. Oof. We sold most of the Sol, right? All the way up here. And it kind of looks like a double top. Now if we don't hold these levels, we might go down to like the hundreds. which is, for a lot of you guys that still got a bag, not ideal. I would be bidding, maybe if you're looking for positions, right? Everyone's looking to make money. Bidding around like this area with stops. Where even is the price right now? 180. Bidding around like maybe this area. Wherever it's at right now, and have like very tight stop losses, like stop loss. But personally, I would not be taking a trade on Solana. It doesn't look good to me. We have to see what happens. It's too hard to see what happens right now, but if it comes down and we see a free fall down to here, I wouldn't even be surprised at this point in my life. That's Sol. Also, there's like an FTX unlock or something. I think it's like $16 billion, which is kind of crazy. That's unlocking. So be on the lookout for that. I don't know what's going to happen with that. I wanted to talk about, another bag that most of us have. I honestly forgot about this, but this shit has been going parabolic. We got it in very, very low. And if you go back to the recent video or like videos I did before, I literally said when it was like getting to here, like $17, like right over here, I said this shit looks like a crazy cup and handle. If you don't know what cup and handle is, something tanks and it goes like that. It literally just looks like a cup, like with a handle. I mean, pretty simple. And I told you we're holding. They've been doing a lot of stuff recently with like buybacks. They got that gold credit card and shit like that. This chart looks actually amazing. We still got a bag of hood. Another thing here is MSTR, MicroStrategy. This shit, I'm going to tell you, we can tell if Bitcoin's going to top here in a little bit. If we see MicroStrategy start falling under these levels and starts heading like this, I would look for a bounce around this 200 level. And if we don't bounce at this $200 level and some FUD happens with Bitcoin or something like that, we're going down to all the way down to this line right here, $30s, $40. And once, we see like a break or something like this, and if Bitcoin is still pumping, that just tells you we are going into a top because all MicroStrategy honestly owns is Bitcoin. So what's going to happen with this most likely, shout out Camel Finance, he basically said it better than me on Twitter and his YouTube, but basically, what's going to happen is Bitcoin could be going up like this. This shit could be trading, and then people are going to say, well, how is this going lower? Wait, let me delete all of this. How is this going lower if all it owns is Bitcoin? That just shows you people are, selling and they think a top's coming. Trust me, if big retail and not retail, big institutions, Jesus Christ, dog. If big institutions own this shit and they're selling, and while Bitcoin's pumping, I would be very scared for your sake. That's basically what I want to say. There's one more. Coinbase. Do own a bunch of shares of this. This shit's been absolutely just skipping around here. We got in very early. This actually looks pretty good for longs. We get a little retest maybe down to this area. Hop in, clear the highs, retest, and then we'll see where we go. But basically the whole chart has been going like this kind of. Then we had these pullbacks, panicked, everyone got shaken out probably over here. Then we giga cent up, people probably sold. Now we're consolidating. I think we're gonna have another leg up. I do like Coinbase if you want to maybe buy in, hold it. I do think Coinbase is a pretty good coin. The only problem with this shit is recording on this, I can't see what time we're at now, so I don't know if I've been yapping or not. But that's the market. That's what I think is going to happen. Quick little video. Hopefully it's quick. I don't remember how long it was. But yeah, new face cam. Let me know what you guys think.